Hi, I'm Rolando Casada. I'm an attorney at Thompson Law here in Dallas, and I want to talk to you about what happens after an accident. So if you're hurt in an accident, there's three things you need to do. Number one, as soon as the accident happens, get your phone, take pictures, take video, and see what's going on about the person who caused the wreck. The first moments after an accident are the most important and can help you decide what you need to get to make sure you can prove your case later. Second thing you need to do is call the police. Calling the police is an easy and simple way for you to get an official government record of what needs to be captured in terms of evidence, claims information, who's at fault. Every single time, it'll help you and it'll help your lawyer later on. And number three, after you've taken pictures and video, after you've waited for the police, the next thing you need to do is figure out if you're hurt. And if you're hurt, you need to ask for medical attention. Doesn't matter if it's at the scene and you need to get an ambulance, or if you just need to take yourself to an urgent care or a hospital later that day. Any of that is fine. If you're not sure about where to go, another thing you can do is just call an experienced personal injury attorney, and then they can give you a clear explanation of what your options are, how to pay for medical care, how to get it organized, what kind of doctors might be the best suited to assist you with your injuries, and getting that coordinated. So let me talk to you about when you hire a law firm, what actually takes place for your case. So the first thing for every single law firm that handles these types of cases is to gather evidence, get information from you, and then build your file. With that information, we'll set up a claim, we'll set a standard for setting up liability so that the person who's at fault has insurance and that they accept 100% of fault for the incident. After that, we also help you get the right medical care. Once you're done treating, we'll organize all the evidence of your case, the fact-gathering parts, and also the medical bills and records that you have that prove your injuries. And with that, we'll prepare a demand letter to the insurance company so that they can see we're really serious about your injuries and why we're making a claim for a couple of things. We make a claim for your medical bills, which is called your economic damages. We make a claim for your physical pain and suffering, which is your non-economic damages. These are the types of things that we claim with a demand letter. After that, the insurance company will evaluate your case and the evidence, and they'll give us an offer. Based on that offer, we'll negotiate with them to get you the most money possible from their offer. If it makes sense, we'll settle your case, and then you'll be able to, in a couple of weeks, get a check, your bills paid, and your case will close. If the offer is no good, what we will do is we will review your case for lawsuit. A lawsuit is very simple. A lawsuit is just the process of us taking the case to court and having a jury, usually 6 or 12 members of the community, decide whether you win or lose your case, and if you win, how much you get. It's very important that when you hire a law firm, you ask them, hey, when's the last time you guys have taken a case to trial and won? Are you prepared to take my case to court if we don't get the top offer? Insurance companies know who actually takes cases to court and who doesn't. Part of our reputation is that we do take cases to court, and we are very proud of our trial reputation. So if you're looking for a real personal injury lawyer who knows what they're doing, that's going to be one of the things you want to ask them about. So, recap. After an accident, get the evidence, call the police, get medical treatment, call a lawyer, like Thompson Law, and then let us work on your case and help you get the most you can under the law. Thank you so much for your time today.